Guys, so I just finished meal prepping for the week, and you guys, doing this is just a lifesaver and money saver. This will help you. So I made a fin salad, aka also known as white soup here, and I made it with goat's meat and chicken. Yeah, that's what I did, and it's not fully cooked because anytime I want to eat as well, I would cook this, so just so it tastes fresh, you get. And then I have stew here, goat's meat stew, fully cooked. And then I've got egusi soup here, half cooked as well. And here I have chicken pepper soup, which is fully cooked because that's what I'm going to have. I'm going to have some of it now and then put the rest in the fridge for the week. So all I just need to do is make swallow or boil rice or boil potato, whatever I want to eat it with. And yeah, that's just basically the meal prep. I'm gonna do like moi moi and beans, but you guys, I'm exhausted only by doing all of this. I'm already tired. I've been cooking for like 5 hours now, so I can't do this. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and welcome to a new vlog. Hey guys, so I'm currently on my way to S&R. I'm actually inside the Sierra shop. Yeah. Bye.
Ooh, I think she like me. Ooh, I think she like me. I'm the top shot to spit my show and bought a watch piece. She wanna get a residual, so they stretching it, wanna get physical. You can never finesse my money long. All my bitches are bad just like Nia Long. I can never let a bitch finesse me. Getting money, only talking if we sexing. I'm the waving shawty trying to jet ski. Yeah, finesse can't finesse me.
I can never let a tick finesse me. Know some shorties round the way who's looking deadly. I just wanna ball like a S-piece. Shorty said I kick that game just like I'm Jet Li. Said she got that wet, baby, let's see. Ice on her neck like she used to play with Gretzky. Every time a nigga link up, she always ready to cash out. I blow her mind, then I back out. Then I'm back on the road cause it's mapped out. Yeah, don't fuck with no gold digger. Bitch, I am no bubs, go fuck with them old niggas. Some of these rappers is bold, don't let me expose niggas. Might bend, never fold, always stay down, always 10 toes. That's word of my folks, nigga, I'm rolling. Yeah, ask the Phoenix, we supplying the way. I can never waste no time in these fakes. You know they probably getting high with the Jakes. Fuck by these niggas, fuck by these bitches. I'm just married to the game. Curtis Shorty, she a lame. Fuck nigga, she a lame.
Yeah, guess I gotta get up from the jump. Niggas out here really acting crazy for real. Lost it all, I swear I've had enough. See I'm lining up this way, they made me for real. For real, for real. My blessings and my
Hello. Hey loves, welcome back to a new vlog. Sorry if you can hear any sound, it is my microwave. So I thought this microwave is not supposed to be making noise. Apparently it is, but what can we do? I'm back home now, and I just wanted to say this new S&R. I feel like S&R is a scam. Do you agree? It's a scam because at the end of the day, what you get, okay, what I bought is, I can't really say the figure, but like the only discount I got was less 200, okay? And if I check the transportation back and forth, it's like 200 and just call it 250 pesos. That's like I spent on transportation. So one membership card of 400, right? Of 700, the membership card was 700, and then if you want two people's name on it, that's like 1,000 plus. It is actually rubbish if you ask me. It doesn't make any sense to me. So I don't know, but it was so convenient shopping there. The ambience and everything is just amazing. If you ask me, I don't know why English is a problem to me this night. But yeah, that's just it though. There is nothing special about this S&R thing. It's just that I think they have it favors people with families. Like if you have like, you know, large family, you can shop there. But if you don't, you can just go there to buy like a few stuff, you know, because everything is like in big sizes, not like small sizes. I wanted to even buy wine glass, and the one I saw, I wanted just 2 pairs, but then the one I saw was like 12 pieces in 12 sets, right? And I don't want 12 sets. What do I need 12 sets for? A single lady? Because even if I'm supposed to have guests, it won't even be more than 2 or 3 people. So that's just a ridiculous thing. Well, sure, my opinion, there's some people that will not mind to buy the 12 set though, but me, I will not buy it. Sure, I left it. So I'll probably check somewhere else, because I really want wine glasses so bad. I also want to buy short glasses, but I'm not sure. Fingers crossed. But yeah, I literally just went there to buy liquor, like wine, alcohol, all that stuff. So that's just what I went to buy. And then I found my baby. This is what I found, you guys. My granuts. Oh Jesus. I need to show you guys this stuff. Mad. So yeah, this is the granite that I bought though. This one, Screen Grab It ASAP. It's only available at S&R, and this granite is really nice. I love it. I just wanted to plug you guys on it. And see, this thing is still here. You guys, I'm not dirty, but bear with me, my life is just upside down. Yeah, by the way, I just posted on Instagram and everybody is wishing me happy birthday in advance. It's actually not my birthday. My birthday is on the 17th. I don't know when this vlog is going to go up, but my birthday is on the 17th of February. And yes, I have a wish list, so I guess this is where I tell you guys what I want for my birthday. Whew, let's sit and talk. I really wish this microwave wasn't making noise right now. Maybe I should just off it. So for my birthday, your girl wants money. Okay, I want money. So if you want to send money, below this video, I'm going to leave. No. I can't leave my details out like that. So yeah, if you feel like you want to send me money, send me a DM on Instagram. I would appreciate it. I also want this Annie clean watch. I'll insert a picture here so you guys will see. It's like gold and green. It's like gold chain with green, and I'll send you the link if that's something you want to buy for me. I'm going to send you the link. Send me a DM on Instagram so I could send you the link that you can shop from that is legit, I believe. Yeah. And another thing that I want for my birthday is the audio lapel microphone. Okay, for my YouTube, it's not that expensive. So if you feel like you want to buy me this, it's basically a mic for phone, and the audio is amazing. I could send you the link on Instagram, so DM me on Instagram if this is something you want to get me. Another thing that I want is a bob fringe wig, and it's from the store Larry Woman. If you just go to her and tell her the wig that Jane said is her birthday wig, okay, she's gonna show you. Okay, that's the wig that I want. Larry Women, is it Larry Women or Larry Woman? I think it's Larry Women on Instagram. Then I also want a lounge robe. You guys already know that that's my pink robe. Everybody knows it already. So yeah, if you want to buy me a lounge robe, buy me. Anything clothes, anything dress. If you want to buy me anything clothes that is stretchable, you can buy me in the size 3XL. But if it's non-stretch, please buy me in 4XL. Okay, and no, I am not that size. My breast is the size. Thank you. I want money again. Okay, yes, cash up me ASAP, send me funds. Then subscribe to my YouTube channel if you know that it's not convenient for you to give me something. Just share my videos on your story so that people can go subscribe and help me reach 1,500 subs. we can do it. I also want air fryer, and I want a makeup brush set, not the fiber ones, the ones that are very gentle to the skin, you know, the one I'm talking about, the original ones. Yeah. And then I also want a lipstick set, and lastly, lipstick set, I mean like red, purple, you know, nude kind of lipstick set. I would appreciate those. These are all I want on my wish list. And then money. In fact, if you don't want to buy me all this, I will even be happy. Just send me money, send me funds, okay? It's gonna make me happy. So that's what I came to update you guys. That's my wish list so far. I'm about to eat. I'm boiling rice, and I just microwaved the stew. You guys saw me prep some days ago, I think about 2 days ago. So I've not eaten this stew yet. It's now that I'm going to actually eat the stew. You guys, I can't wait to try this granite again. Like, it's been living in my head, baby. Okay, I gotta go. Bye, guys.
Real, for real. I choose where I go, I got control.